Hello, you're welcome back to this channel. In this particular tutorial, I will show you how to make use of a 3D text effect in Pixellab. Now, okay, probably someone sent you the PLP file and you just want to edit it and make use of it. So there are various ways you can actually edit your PLP file. So let's just locate one. I have one from my gallery. Okay, no, that's not where I should have gone to. I'll just go to this place, this 3D icon, then come to open PLP. So I'll click on this PLP. Then I'll just go to where it is located. Now I have mine in my Android. So I'll come to media. I'll come to Opera Mini. Yeah, this. And I'll come to document. So this is this text effect. I'm only opening. No, the reason you should be open, yours should be open and hard. No, I just click on open alone because I have it already. Okay, if you're in case you're listening to this thing without, so okay, let me just type for you. Please select open and hard. Okay, in case probably I'm having some people that can't actually hear, just open and hard. So I actually selected open only because I have it already. I have it saved. I have it saved already. All right, so okay, now let's just get rid of this. So this is what we have. So let's come here and okay, so this is what we have. So we want to use this for another design. So some people can actually edit, just come here and edit. It is just a waste of time. So we have this text effect has 4 layers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick from the bottom, select the one from the bottom, come to styles and save this text as a new style. It is saved. Then I'll come to this other one, the second one. Though you can go from the top too, depending on your choice, but me, I just prefer going from the bottom. So come to and save. It's saved. Then you come to this one. No, I think I saved that one twice. Let's see. Browse my style. Okay. Okay, so let's just go on. Let's see what I saved. Now let's just go on. So come to this one, this second one, come to style, come here and save. Saving is done. So you come to this other one, this first one. Let me make it visible. Also come to style, save. Right now that our saving is done, so let's just bring in one of my design. So you see every one of them here. See everything here. So let's, okay, I just want to verify, just to verify if I actually saved it right. Okay, now the one I save, I think I saved it from, start saving it from the top. So this is what we have. This particular is actually a simple Christmas message. It's very easy. All right, so this is it. Let me hide the wish. So in case I just want my text, let me just use let me just copy this. Let me use Xmas. Xmas. All right, so let me increase the size. Let me give it a bit of padding because of the space. Now this padding will not work because the text effect has its own padding. Yeah, I guess so. I hope I'm not wrong. Now, all right, so I'm going to start from the one I saved last, which is the bottom. This is it. Now, so it's not actually not having its own padding, which I'm going to give it now. So now you can see it's having Xmas. So let me just increase the size, Let me just give it the 30. Okay, so I'll copy it. Please copy. Come to browse, come to my style, then you come to this particular one, the second one. So you give it its own padding again. Now the reason I'm actually giving it padding is because of space. Okay, so I will also copy it again. Come to browse, come to browse, come to style, come to this one. Okay, so this one is quite having a space between the last letters. So I'll just come here and give it this way, put it this way. Then I'll just come here and click on it, copy it again, come to edit, come to browse, come to style, and bring this one. Now you see it here, it is. Now let me come to padding, because I'm not that seeing it clearly. Alright, so this is what I'm having now. Let's just change the background color to black. Alright, so this is what we're now having for our design. See the text. So I can now just come here and merge them. So it's taking time. So in case you just joined me for the first time, please hit the subscription button. Alright, so I guess you've gained value so far. Alright, so this is my Xmas. I can also go through some of my videos which I have on YouTube. In case you're just starting, you need help, those videos which actually help you. Go through any one of them. Alright, so this is what we have. We now successfully edited this text effect. So I'm just going to save this particular text effect. So that's all for this tutorial. So you can just save it. I'll just save it. Save image. It's in PNG. When you are saving a transparent background, make sure it's a PNG, not in JPEG. Alright, so that's all for this video. We'll see in the next one. So I can now just bring it in back for another. No, not this. It is saved already. Wow, it's taking time to process, but that's everything. See you in the next video. Don't forget to hit that subscription button.